points the gun at me and pulls the trigger, and then looks at her son and goes, "Oh, I knew there wasn't no bullets in it," and then throws the gun down the steps. So you were gonna kill me. That's what you were gonna do. She's drunk as she shouldn't even be having a fucking gun.
A mother, her son's girlfriend, one apartment, a gun pointed and a trigger pulled, Pittsburgh area. The 24th of September, 2025. 3 criminal charges. One question the law already answered.
Did you call?
Yes, I called.
What's
She
going
just tried to shoot me. And the only reason why I didn't get hit is because the gun didn't have no fucking bullets in it.
Who is this?
I'm pretty sure y'all have all been here before. Hold on. Hello? I just walked in the house and the had a gun in her hand. She tried to shoot me.
Ma'am, can you tell us what's going on, please?
Yes, the police are here. I gotta talk to the cops. I'll call you back, Mom.
So what's the situation inside
Okay,
right
so she texted me earlier. They've lived here for a while. I date her son.
So, like, what's the situation? Just real quick, we can get into the nitty gritty. Does anybody have a gun
Yes.
that's like a threat right now in the house?
Her son probably grabbed it from her. It didn't have any bullets in it. He was standing in the middle of us trying to get it from her.
Okay.
And then she pointed it at me, pulled the trigger and said, "Oh, she don't got no bullets in it," and threw it down the steps. He ran down the steps and grabbed his gun. I came down the steps because I don't know what you're going to grab next.
What's your relationship with them?
I date her son. I've been dating her son for 3 years, which is the only reason why she lives with me.
You're her son's girl.
Yes.
Okay.
And he's at work.
Okay.
Which is what this started.
Her other son.
Yes.
Okay.
They
so
all
you don't
live here.
date the son in there. Okay.
Not the one that gave her the gun.
Okay. Can you hang out for a second?
Yeah, absolutely.
Just so we can get your info and whatnot.
Which apartment is it?
2, right here. This door right here, the white one.
What's her name?
Kimberly.
And then what's his name?
Dwayne.
Dwayne and Kimberly. Okay. What's she look like?
She's fat and got blonde hair.
Is she a white woman?
Yes.
Is there a way to get out the back?
No, yes. That's the door's locked off.
Hey, Kimberly?
No.
Is it a separate apartment?
No, she thinks it is.
Okay.
But there is no gun.
Okay. So, did it get thrown down?
What?
A gun.
You know, we just don't have it. We don't.
So then what's she talking about? Hey, are you Kimberly?
Yes, I am.
You don't have a gun, do you?
No, I don't have a gun no more.
Okay. What does that mean?
Because I did. Her sister called and threatened me and said she was gonna come over here and beat my ass or something. So when she pulled up, yeah, there wasn't even no bullets in the gun. So
where is it now? Your gun.
it's not my gun.
Where's the gun that you?
It's in my son's room.
Dwayne.
Yeah.
Can we talk to Dwayne? Where's he at?
He don't.
Hey, Dwayne.
He don't got nothing to do with this.
Is it your gun? Your mom have it.
She was in my room, and then me and her was arguing, and then
You and mom, or you and girl downstairs?
no, me and mom. So she was in my room, and I was standing outside my room, and she was asking me for her keys because she was trying to leave, and I'm not letting her leave because she's been drinking. So I'm not giving her keys. I don't care what she says or does. So.
This is his girlfriend. So I asked her, I'm like, can you take him to work tonight? And she was like, oh, I can't because I work until close with my mom. Well, you know, I don't know, but she claims she works all these hours and stuff like that. So I'm like, I started getting an attitude because I do everything. I take my kids to work in the morning. Even when I have to work, I still have responsibilities. Not saying that he is her responsibility or anything, like, he's not even mine, he's grown. But I do want to make sure that he will succeed, you know? So I'm like, I started getting irritated because I'm like, you can't help with nothing. You have a whole vehicle and you don't help with nothing. She was like, I'll take the kids to school. I don't need you to take the kids to school because I literally get off of work at 4:30. So I'm good taking the kids to school. These are all my kids.
Okay.
So, and then she started talking stuff to me, and me and her was getting into it. And then her sister texted me, and she was like, oh, I'm about to be at the house at 10 o'clock. I'm about to drag your ass out. And I'm like, okay. Like, first of all, you're not even in this situation, so why are you even texting me? It's between me and Haley. Me and my son already got into it because he was like, you shouldn't have been talking to her like that, disrespecting her like that. And then he's like, oh, she does everything. She's been doing everything now for the past 2 months.
So where is it at exactly?
It's right there.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, baby. It's okay, Bubba. I got the Roddy. I just don't even get it. Come on. Baby boy. You want to go in the? You want to go in the? Oh, sorry. I must have scared him.
Yeah, it's right there under them shirts to the left side of the shelf on the top shelf. Go in the bathroom, Ace. Gosh, you're pissing on the floor, bro.
Yeah, he just must be.
Yeah, that's it.
He just must be scared. And you're legally allowed to have it, right?
Yeah, I'm legally allowed.
Okay.
The VIN and everything's already been ran on and everything.
Okay.
Yeah, no, I mean, go ahead and run the game.
Yeah, no, we just got to do. We just got to do
that's
our little
protocol,
one too.
understand.
That's all.
Yeah, I know.
Do you happen to have an ID on you?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it just in that wall right there?
So how did a gun get involved at all?
Because her sister said she was gonna come over here.
Okay, so her sister said she was going to come over here.
And then she pulled up, and I didn't know if it was just her or then I saw other lights coming behind her, so yeah, I pulled the gun out.
Aggravated Menacing Ohio Revised Code, Section 2903.21. The statute requires only that the victim reasonably believed serious harm was imminent. Loaded or not, the victim cannot know that. Her reasonable belief is the operative legal standard. Charge complete. Weapons while intoxicated Ohio Revised Code, Section 2923.15. Kimberly admitted drinking on camera. She aimed and discharged a firearm in that state. All elements met. Domestic Violence Ohio Revised Code, Section 2919.25. Haley is the leaseholder. Kimberly is a co-resident. Co-residency triggers the household member enhancement. No blood relation required. Self-defense fails. Kimberly feared the sister and aimed at Haley. Self-defense requires the threat and the target to be the same person. They were not. Firearm recovery, no warrant needed. Dwayne, the legal owner, voluntarily consented. Under Illinois versus Rodriguez, 1990, that consent is constitutionally valid.
Okay. Did you point it at her at any
No.
point? Okay.
I don't have nothing to lie about, but I'm not gonna get jumped because I know her and her sister.
I got a drink in the car.
Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on here.
She
What's your
tried to
name?
shoot me.
Oh, you're the victim?
Yes, she tried to shoot me. The only reason why I'm not right now is because there wasn't a bullet in the head.
What happened?
She's mad because I couldn't take. Her son is my boyfriend, and he just started work at Amazon a couple days ago, and she's upset because she didn't want to get off her f***ing ass and take him to work. I work 2 jobs. I've been at work since 11 to, what time is it? I just got home like 20 minutes ago. The camera will show you. I walk in the house and she's like, what's the problem? I said, the problem is you're mad at me because I couldn't do something one time. I've been paying the rent in this house for 3 months because she ain't had no f***ing job. I've been paying the Wi-Fi. I've been trying to catch her up on her f***ing car payment. I've been helping the bitch with everything. I can't do one thing and it's a problem. So I walk in the house, go up the steps, and she's right there greeting me. She's got something behind her back. And her son is standing in front of her trying to get whatever it is from behind her back. I already knew because I know he has the gun. So I go in my room and I'm just trying to get my dog out the house because I'm about to go. And Dwayne, or not Dwayne, but Cameron stops me from grabbing my dog out the room and he's like, I already took him out. So I just put him back in the room. I'm just going to leave without my dog. She points the gun at me and pulls the trigger and then looks at her son and goes, oh, I knew there wasn't no bullets in it, and then throws the gun down the steps. So you were going to kill me. That's what you were going to do. She's drunk as she shouldn't even be having a fucking gun. Yes, but she has not paid rent in 3 days. I have an eviction notice. She has 3 days to get out.
But you live here
Yes,
with them?
my name is on the lease. Nobody else's name. I've been paying the rent. I have the text messages of me telling her that she's got 3 days left to get out. That's it.
Okay.
Is everybody over 18? Are all the kids adults?
No. The only adults in here is me, my mom, and the girl downstairs.
Okay. How old's the brother that she's dating?
He's 19.
Oh, so he's an adult. So
Yes,
So is the girl on the couch? She's just the only juvenile then?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, and my little brother, he's probably in his back room, it's like a little back room next to the.
Oh, okay. Is the 19-year-old brother not here?
No, he's at work.
Oh, okay.
All I want to do was make sure that my son made it to work.
Okay.
And I was trying to go out of town to visit my sister.
So, I just want to walk through the story. So you guys were having an argument over your son, basically.
Yeah.
She threatened to have her sister come over here.
No, she didn't threaten. Her sister ended up texting me, and I looked at my phone, and I'm like, oh my god, here's her sister, and there's like 10 messages. I can show you.
Okay. So her sister threatened to come over here then?
Yeah, her sister threatened me, period. So I'm like, I felt on defense mode.
Okay. So she got here. What happened?
Look, she sent four new messages.
Alright. Where did she threaten you at?
And she said, I'm pulling up at 10. These are all the text messages she said. Sorry.
How did this start?
Because
Why did her sister start messaging you?
I don't know why her sister started to message me.
Okay.
Did she just know you had the gun and went and took it, or did?
Yeah, she knows. Yeah, it's my mom.
Well, yeah, I know, but like she just knew you had it, so she went into your room and grabbed it. Is that how like she got a hold of it, or did you like have it set on a table or what?
Yeah, so like basically where that officer, I don't know if that was the guy that grabbed it, but the officer that grabbed it is where it normally sits.
In your bedroom.
Yeah.
Okay.
Were you guys fighting all day?
I've been at work since 11 o'clock this morning. This didn't start till 3.
Okay.
So it's been in text messages. I have all the text messages. She texted me, she said, can you take Sean to work? I said, no, I told you last night that I work until 7:30. This is my second job. I work every single day. Then it's, oh, well, all you do is work. Well, none of y'all just pay rent, so what the do you think I'm going to do? None of y'all pay rent. What am I going to do? And then I told her to get her disrespectful fat ass out of my phone. And she said, oh, I'm about to come up there and beat you and your mom up. And I said, okay, so come do it. I work at Eddie's downtown. The cops would have been there in 2 minutes. I'm not worried about you.
Right.
I'm not worried about you. I don't.
So those were the only threats she made over the phone?
Over the text. Then I walk in the house, and I go up the steps, and she's standing right there with something behind her back. Oh, yeah, I do got because we got a camera right there. I got the video of her out here. She was talking to me in the camera because she knew I was watching it, and she's still more threats. What?
So would your mom have known it wasn't loaded?
No, she's drunk.
Oh, okay, she's drunk.
Yeah.
She's been drinking today.
Yeah.
I did say I was going to.
I used the big ladder in the house.
I did say I was going to blow her sister's house up, though.
Miranda concern, Kimberly made self-incriminating statements before any rights advisement appears on camera. Under Miranda versus Arizona, 1966, those statements face suppression risk at trial. Mischarge, Kimberly admitted on camera threatening to destroy her sister's house via text. Officers did not follow up. A potential terroristic threats charge was left on the table.
So, but I told her sister that
You will be arrested.
I don't give a. She shouldn't be threatening me. She's in a situation. She's
I mean, you guys are
involving herself.
clearly arguing between each other.
She's involving
so,
herself in a
yeah.
situation that don't even concern her. And
Yes.
I do feel some type of way because I'm talking about your mom. Your mom is living. My mom's not even here to stick up for herself. And he was like, on your mom. Talking about she was going to come over here. And she was like, on your mom. And I'm like, my
Can we
mom
go back
is
in
dead.
there? I feel a little cramped with 5 people
Sorry.
sitting in the kitchen.
Yeah, it is. It's little in here.
Yeah, if you want to light your cigarette, you're good. And then you guys just been hanging out drinking today?
No, just me.
What? Have you been drinking today?
This is my weekend. I work Thursday through Sunday.
Okay.
I just told her to get herself on her feet so she can get the out of my house. That has always been the agreement. Instead of getting a house, she goes and buys a car she can't afford. But I've been quiet. Like, literally, I'm the peacemaker in the house. They fight all the time. I stay in my room. I'm not even that kind of person. I work 2 jobs. I'm not even here enough. She just expects me to get off my ass and take her kids to school like I'm her baby dad or something. I am responsible for one person, and I'm not even responsible for him. He's grown.
How many kids does she have?
4. Dwayne is 21. Sean is 19. 20, I'm sorry. Trinity's 13, and Cameron is 16.
Holy cow. Just based off of what you're telling me, it sounds like she's probably going to get charged with a slew of charges, and domestic violence being one of those things.
Okay.
Which there's a mandatory protection order that goes
That's
in place.
perfectly fine. I don't want her back here. She's getting evicted in 3 days anyway.
She won't be allowed to come back here, so I'm not sure about the kids.
I told them they're fine if they don't have anywhere to go. But when she gets out, she was already talking about she's going to go down to her sister's. Her sister lives in Kilbuck. It's like 2.5 hours from here. I really don't care where they go. I don't even care about my boyfriend. He can go too. I don't give.
Oh, no.
That's how tired I am of her.
I understand where you're coming from.
Like, I just want her to come home and shower. I probably smell like onions. I have been on a grill all day, so if I do, I'm sorry.
What was your name?
Kimberly.
Kimberly, I'm sorry.
Kim.
Kim. Okay. This is your ID, right? Okay. Kim, come on. Let's go downstairs. Alright. I don't want to do it in front of your daughter, okay? Can you please put your hands behind your back?
Non-verified 37
Put 'em like you're praying,
5
okay?
at 539
Like you're
South
praying, it'll be
Arlington Street, time now 2034.
Like this.
What am I getting arrested for?
So you're getting arrested for having weapons while intoxicated?
Wow.
I'm sorry, guys. It seems like you guys all live together, so it seems like just family wasn't meshing today, and some things happened that led to some people getting arrested.
What's
Oh
gonna go on? Okay.
my gosh.
Have you been arrested before?
Yes.
Okay. When's the last time you were arrested?
In 2010,
For what?
a DUI.
Was it a misdemeanor DUI? Like your first DUI?
Yeah.
Okay. That's the only other time?
Yeah.
Okay, then that is a misdemeanor, okay?
Oh,
Okay. You say you have nothing in your pockets? Do you
No.
even have pockets?
no.
Okay, here. Can you look at the cruiser for me? I'm just gonna pat down your waistband, okay?
I just
The
can't
element of
I
her.
literally, that's damn near my mother right there. I feel bad doing this. It's just the fact you tried to fucking kill me and did not think twice about it.
Yep. That's.
That shit, literally.
And isn't your other son a juvenile as well? That's in there? And he can stay with your 23-year-old son as well?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna
Her dad is in jail, and his dad is in South Carolina. Oh my gosh. I hope this don't go on my record.
Alright, go ahead and sit in there, please.
Oh my god.
Gratis. Officers A-. Sound consent search, structured interviews, tactically clean arrest, deductions, Miranda gap, mischarge. Haley B+, reported promptly, consistent account, full cooperation. Deduction. Her role in the sisters' escalation remains unexplored. Dwayne C+, intervened and cooperated. But a firearm on an open shelf, accessible to an intoxicated person in a volatile home, is a storage failure and a legal liability. Kimberly D., armed while intoxicated, aimed at an uninvolved party, pulled the trigger, no valid defense, remorse does not undo conduct. Lessons learned. Firearm ownership does not end at purchase. Accessible storage in a high-risk household is foreseeable liability, civil and criminal. Introducing a weapon into a domestic dispute, loaded or not, converts a civil matter into a felony, instantly and irreversibly. When probable cause is already established, advise Miranda before further questioning. Skipping it hands the defense its easiest argument. Kimberly was charged with domestic violence and aggravated menacing. A mandatory protection order issued immediately. Full case disposition remains unknown at time of analysis. Let us know if there is a legal topic you would like us to cover in the comments below. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to check out Street Bodycam for more.